Hey, this is Wes, coming to you from home as part of our Marinsiders series. People have been asking, what is the impact of COVID on search marketing programs? Across the board, the biggest constant is change. Some people are spending more, some people are spending less, but everyone's program is performing slightly differently. So there's a few things that you can do to be ready for this. The first is alerts. You want to proactively know if you're seeing big changes in spend or conversions at the campaign, group, and keyword level. So set up recurring reports that can be emailed to you and proactively notify you when these changes are happening. The second is search queries. People are searching differently. They're searching for different things than they have in the past. So keep an eye on your search query reports, add negatives where appropriate, add keywords if they're relevant to your business, and of course our keyword expansion tool in the Marin platform can help you with this process. The third thing is day parting. Now that people are stuck at home, the schedules that you've seen before where conversion rates go up and down is very different than it has been in the past for a number of our clients. And so we recommend everybody take a close look at their conversion patterns and adjust their day parting settings. Again, these can be automated with the Marin platform where we'll go out and calculate those settings for you. But if you're not using us or if you're not using that feature, you should go in and retake a look at those settings. And the last area is budget caps. As some businesses have opportunities, new parts of their programs may be performing, they may not have the appropriate budgets set for those campaigns. So take a look at which campaigns are running into budget caps and whether or not you should be adding more headroom for those campaigns. So those are some of the things that we've been seeing from our customers that have been helpful in navigating this very uncertain time. We'll continue to work with our customers and put out more information. If you need any more help in the meantime, please click the link below and we can reach out to you. For now, stay healthy and stay safe.